Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we're working on installing some really cool James speakers in this beautiful 3-level backyard. We've shown you a video of this a while back of as far as showing you what we're going to do and what things, how things lay out in the backyard and all that kind of stuff. But there's so much going on back here. So anyway, today we're actually installing the speakers. So we have the James 52 QUEs. Now, when you're designing backyards, you know, there's a lot of thought that can go into, you know, doing it properly. And so right now I'm sitting in the sitting area where there's a fire pit right here. So we thought, man, how great would have a nice pair of speakers, you know, without a subwoofer, that they could sit out here by the fire pit. And behind me, you'll see later, matter of fact, we'll have some drone footage. But it's a beautiful pond, and you have a nice putting green over there. But people can sit here, relax, without having to turn on the system from the pool or the system from the patio, and just listen to some mild music, or they can crank it up right here too if they're entertaining and got a big party. But here's a great way to do a pair of speakers with a flush. We have a stucco base to this sitting area. So what we did is we came in and put in these custom masonry boxes, and then they put those flush into these stuccos, you can see right here. And then check out these guys, 53 Qs, quad array tweeters, and then a driver here. So he wanted white. These are all powder coated. Again, we love James because everything is custom and powder coated, color matched to whatever we wanted it to be. And like I said, the client wanted white. But check this out, guys. Watch how flush these things go into the seating area. So we'll get the wire in here, and then there's brackets in the back. They fit perfectly. Boom. And then I'll have 4 screws that go right there. And then we have a grill. Nice grill. And then we'll fit it in there. And then I'll just tap that sucker in there. I don't want to do it just yet because I don't have the screws in there. But man, this will be flush with the front of this. What a great fit and finish this will be. And they're going to sound incredible, whether they play it low or they play it loud, you know, joining with the rest of the group. So can't wait to show you guys more of this, what we got going on today. But if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, hit that like, leave your comments down below. Got a lot of cool things we got to show you on this backyard. So stay tuned and we'll show you what we got going on the second level. See you then.